This is your web application. You have a standard upload form here. But it is featureless. And ugly. But you can easily upgrade it with PlaneUpload for free. By just copy and pasting short JavaScript code. You get a fully featured and customizable Ajax uploader that stores your files directly in your Dropbox, Google Drive, Amazon S3 or FTP server. In just a few clicks, you can set up a backup cloud. Now all the uploaded files will be stored in 2 locations at the same time. You can also set automatic compression, so all the files will be compressed as a zip archive. You can easily access the files from your application using the API. There are ready-to-use copy and paste examples. Check out all the features on PlaneUpload.com.